This video will review the basic procedure for setting the path lengths between two optical interface couplers, or OICs. When you receive the OICs, remove the yellow protective packaging. Then remove the red protective boots covering the SMA 905 connections. The SMA 905 connections are the connections for fiber optic cable. Notice that the optical window protrudes from the body of the optical interface coupler. As a result, you will need to take extra care when installing the optical interface couplers into a flow cell. Do not tighten the nuts with the windows in contact with one another, as this will cause the windows to be damaged. First, insert one optical interface coupler. You may judge the distance by looking in the top port of the flow cell, and tighten the nut so that the OIC will not move. Next, insert the other OIC. Do not tighten this OIC. For this demonstration, we will set a path length of 10 millimeters. Using calipers, measure the distance with the OICs in contact with one another. This will be your reference point. Then, by looking through the top viewport, pull the loose OIC out approximately 10 millimeters from the OIC that is tightened and measure the distance. Repeat this procedure until the distance between OICs is 10 millimeters. It may take a few tries. When tightening the nut, it does pull the OICs a little closer together. This is why you should not tighten both nuts with the OICs in contact. If you have any questions, call Custom Sensors and Technology.